For breadth first search, remember we implemented using a queue, right? And so again, we're starting at vertex A. Here we can either visit B or E, okay? We're gonna visit B first because we're breaking ties lexicographically. Again, we're not taking into account any of these weights. We don't care about these weights until we get into shortest paths, algorithm or A star. Okay, so once we visited B, then we need to visit the other neighbors of A, which is going to be E, okay? And then, so let me just write down how we visited nodes so far, okay? And then from B, we will explore all of its neighbors, which are C and F, right? So we have C, then we have F, and then from E, we don't have anything that we haven't visited already. So again, let me just mark the ones that we've visited with these check marks. And the ones that we are completely done with, I will mark with a bolded circle. Okay, so now we've visited C and F. And then from C, so we're basically done with E, right? We can't really go anywhere else from E. Whoops. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. Let me undo. Okay, there we go. Ooh. So from F, from C, we go with the lexicographically smaller vertex first. So from C, we actually can't go anywhere. We're at a dead end. So let's explore F. From F, we can go to either D or G. So let's write that. Okay. And then from D, we can go to H. And so that is the final order. The difference between breadth first search and depth first search is that for breadth first search, we care about completing every single level, completing the entire level before we move on to the next level of children. Okay, so when we were at A, we knew that we had two neighbors, B and E, right? In depth first search, we would explore all the possibilities for one child before we explored the possibilities for the other child. But in breadth first search, that's not the case. We need to explore B just once, at a very shallow level. Then we need to treat the other child, E, exactly the same. And then we need to move on to the next level. And the way that we visit the next level, the order, is determined by the lexicographic ordering of their parents, which are, in this case, B and E. So we visit B's children first, and then by doing that, we've explored all the possibilities for E, leaving E to be a dead end, at which point we don't need to explore anything further down this subtree, okay, and etc. And you will get this resulting order.